Sa tingin ko, nakita ko na ang bahay na para sa'yo. For as low as 10,000 pesos reservation fee lang at no down payment pa through Pag-ibig Financing. Ito ang Pagsibol Village, Southern Naik, dito sa Barangay Muson, Naik, Cavite. This is a duplex unit na may car park area na may 55 square meters of flat area at 45.5 square meters of floor area. So this is located at Barangay Muson, Naik, Cavite. One bus ride lang papuntang PITX. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Sabrina Duplex Unit ng Pagsibol Village, Naik, Cavite. So ito ay semi-complete turnover finish at may wall paint na tayo at cement finish na yung ating flooring. So mapapansin niyo extended part ng ating kitchen at meron na siyang countertop sink with tiles. So, ito naman